These hollies are perfect for the holidays. Check out this video and I'll show you how easy it was to do.
And start things off by applying this silver diamond glitter, curing each coat for 30 seconds. Then getting a black art form along with my detailing brush. I'm going to outline the berries and then move on to the leaves of the holly. Now this outline doesn't need to be super clean, it's just there so you can fill in with your colors later. And I'm gonna get the green cat eye and this red glitter. Starting with the green cat eye, apply that on top of your holly outline and magnetize it. Then I'll apply this red glitter and fill in those berries. Cure everything for 30 seconds and then get your matte top coat and apply that and cure that for 30 seconds. Give it a good wipe after curing, then re-outline everything with black art form and cure that for 30 seconds. Get your gold chrome sticks and apply that, followed by your top coat. When it comes to isolating chrome, you want to make sure you wipe your matte top coat with a really good alcohol-like nail surface cleanse.